Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your August the 13th to August the 15th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung hindi nyo po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Na, Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the... Sinabi ko bang Cancer? This is for Gemini. No? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Gemini, simulan na natin. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang papunta na, no? Kayo doon sa isang relationship na medyo totoong sobrang seryoso. Parang ang redundant. Totoo na, na sobra pa, no? So, ganon. Parang itong, meron lang nagpipigil ng konti, pero parang, kumbaga sa isang bahay, isang anay na lang, no? Ang pipirma, bibigay. May bibigay dito sa relationship na ito. May taong bibigay na oo. May taong magsasabi na sige, sige na. I think that this is the time, no? I feel like meron na ditong taong nagpaplano ng cohabitation. It could also be proposal or marriage or dagdagan ng anak or magkaroon na ng anak. No? Ganon kaseryoso. So, kinakabahan ngayon itong taong isa, no, na parang, am I ready for this? No? Kumakabog yung dibdib dahil, of course, this could be a brand new experience, you know, for this person. Hindi ko pa to nararanasan. I've never been into this kind of serious relationship at all. So, Knight of Cups and... So, ang nakikita ko dito, medyo mabagal lang. So, eto na ba yung inaantay natin? Kasi somewhat there's a hope, no? We're actually hoping, crossing our fingers na sana matupad ito, mangyari ito. Eto na. Parang nararamdaman mo na halos nasa harapan ko na, halos hawak ko na, halos kumbaga sa'yo na you can feel it, smell it, taste it, touch it, taste it. Wow. Clarifying the Ten of Swords. So I feel like this is a continuation of this plan. Siguro na pag-usapan na ito dati, hindi lang nangyari, medyo na-postponed, pero eto na siya. Especially for those of you who's actually looking for or waiting, you know, to get pregnant or for your person to get pregnant, no? Nakikita ko dito na parang any moment mangyayari na. If not this month, next month, parang someone is really pursuing this. And we may not be talking about this often because we have dealt with it from the past. I know that you are pushing for it. I can feel it. I can actually see the persistence of you trying. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle it. However, I think that this is also the time. Apparently, I'm just scared, but I am not that scared. If that makes sense. Probably what's sabihin nating what scares me is jumping into the unknown. Right? I don't know what's gonna happen in here with the Seven of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles. So ito, urong-sulong tayo. And the Eight of... So here's the thing. If you're seeing fluctuations, ito yung para sa mga cross watchers, no, 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 no. If you're seeing fluctuations in the energy na parang urong sulong on and off, it's because of fear, the fear of the unknown coming from the person. It may be certain for you. It may be that your promise is, gagawin mo naman talaga for Gemini. But Gemini here feels like I wasn't, I don't know. I don't know if I can handle it. I don't know if I am ready for it. I am uncertain of things. I'm uncertain of your promises. Um, so parang meron talagang push na oo, push na oo, na parang I'm giving in, pero I'm controlling myself with the four of pentacles. I think that this person is thinking thoroughly, no? If this person truly loves me. So Gemini might be thinking thoroughly, if this person truly loves me, is this person gonna stay with me for the rest of my life like this person is saying so? Should I believe in the promises? No. Um, I can see with the King of Swords, you should, Gemini. Dahil this person's very ready. Very ready to be with you, very ready to ipagtanggol ang relationship, no? Ready na rin siya for, let's say, sabihin natin, to build a family with you. There may be some challenges from the past, but I believe that this time this person's going to make it happen. Very very soon. So say goodbye to the singlehood, no? So magpakasaya na. Lumabas na kung gustong lumabas dahil hindi na ito magagawa very very soon, no? Hindi mo na magagawa kung ano man yung dati mong nagagawa. Not all, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman sasakalin ng tao, pero of course, kumbaga gagraduate na tayo sa pagiging single. Ayan. So happy graduation, Gemini. So let's check here the zodiac sign. I mean the emotion. I've been fighting a battle I can't win and you light up my world. Medyo inis na rin si person na um palagi na lang ako nag-i-insist, no? Pero kay cross-watchers naman or dun kay person, hayaan mo na. Pabigay na, no? Konting kiliti pa. Bibigay na rin si Gemini. Ayan. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn. So this is your reading, Gemini. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan ang live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kilalang kilala niyo po yung sarili ninyo, Gemini. Kung alam niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating link sa description box. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ibaba nyo lang po, no? Sa pinakababa nandun po yung question form. Sa ibaba nyo pa, makikita nyo yung mga QR codes. So, nandun po yung amount, how much per question, no? Nandun din po itong name, number for your reference. I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, pakihanap na lang yung QR code na nandun po na sa description box. And Gemini, tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt. If you want to book a private reading with me, please report those fake accounts and screenshot your report. Send it to the designated email. So kung gusto nyo araw-araw, that's okay. That's considered one ticket, no? And kung hinahanap ninyo itong X-Files or readings from exes, nilipat ko na po sa Facebook ha. Facebook is Babaylan TV para hindi po nag-aaway-away dito sa comment section at tayo'y baka maban, no? So, YouTube is not advocating those kinds of um, attitudes, no, na mag-away-away. So, ayan. So, nandun po siya sa Facebook. So, this is your reading, Gemini. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.